Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a multi-page business website in WordPress for free. If you follow this tutorial from the very beginning to the end, you can create any business website, services website, agency website, or any company website. I'm a professional web developer. I do charge $500 to $3,000 for this type of multi-page website. So you can pick one options from here. Hire me for $500 to $3,000. Or just watch this tutorial and make your own website. We will be creating the whole website by using a free theme called Phlox and a free page builder called Elementor. And we will be creating everything just by drag and drop. You don't need to know a single line of coding. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. First, I will show you how to make this amazing homepage. From the top left, you can replace this logo with your own logo. Then I will show you how to make this type of navigation menu. Here you can put your own phone number. So when people will click over this phone number, they can directly call on your phone or your Skype. Then here is all your social media links. I will show you how to create this beautiful banner, how to change these images, all this text from left. And if we click on this watch video button, it will open a video pop-up. We can play the video from here. For now, let's close it. Underneath that, I will show you how to create this beautiful services section. Then scroll down. Here I will show you how you can create this beautiful about us section. You can replace these images with your own image. You can replace all this text with your own texts. And then I will show you how to create this beautiful project section. So basically here you can showcase all your portfolios. Then on the next section here, I will show you how you can put your client logos. Then next you can put all your clients' testimonials. You can replace these images with your own client images. You can change this text with your real feedbacks. Let's now scroll down. Here I will show you how you can make this beautiful about us or our team section. Also, if you want, you can put all the social media links with them. And then underneath here we will have our recent blog post section. Here we can see the most recent 2 blogs here. Alright, let's scroll down. Here is the beautiful call to action section. If we click on this start now button, that will take us to the contact page. And then if we scroll down here, we can see our global footer. On the left side, we can reuse our logo. Here is some text about our company. Then in the middle, here is some useful links. If you want, you can also use your terms and services pages link or any disclaimer pages link. And on the right side, you can put your physical address, email address, phone number. And here is some copyright text. Then from the bottom right corner, if we click on this go to top button, that will take us to the top of our website. Next, I will show you how to create a beautiful about us page. Here you can talk about your team more or the processes like this. You can replace these icons with your own icons. And then underneath here, we have another beautiful call to action section. And then here underneath we have reused the team section from the home page here. And at the bottom here we have got our global footer. Alright, let's go to the top. Then I will show you how to create the beautiful services page. Here you can put all your services together. And then underneath here is some text. And then at the very bottom here is your client logos and the global footer. Alright. Then I will show you how to create a beautiful projects page. Here you can showcase all your projects or portfolios. So from here, if we scroll down, we can see more projects. Also, you can navigate through these paginations. And now from this portfolio page, if we select any single portfolio, let's now click here on this single portfolio or single project. That will take us to the single case study page of that project or portfolio. Here you can write all the details about that project with the descriptive images. People also can like this project. They can share the project on their social medias. Also, here is the navigator for going to the next portfolio and the previous portfolio. And underneath here is the related projects or works. Alright, let's go to top. Then I will show you how to create a beautiful blog page. We can see all the blog posts here. Here is the blog publishing date. Here is the author name and here is the blog title. We can see all the blog posts within these cards. This design looks really elegant. And you can always navigate through this pagination. And here underneath we have got our global footer. Also from this blog page, if you click on any single blog post, That will take us to the single blog post page. Here at the top we can see the big featured image. Then underneath here is the title, and here is the real blog post. Let's now scroll down. Here is the tags. Also people can share the blog post from here. Then underneath, if people want to put some sweet comment, they can do that from here. And lastly, I will also show you how to create a beautiful contact page. Here you can post your physical address, phone number, working hours, and email addresses. Underneath this section, here you can put the beautiful contact us form. So people just need to put their full name, email address, website URL, and message. After filling up this contact form, when they will click on this submit button, you will receive all this information directly on your email. Then underneath here, you can put your Google Map address. I will show you how you can customize the color matching with your brand color. And here underneath, this is our global footer. All right. Can you believe we will be creating all of this just by drag and drop and by using all free resources? I'm really excited. If you're excited like me, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. Alright, we will be creating this beautiful website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. Also, I will provide you a 50% discount link. Then I will show you how to install WordPress, then how to install a free page builder called Elementor and a free theme called Phlox. Then we will start customizing our amazing website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump to the necessary part you need. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, texts you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your own website. Okay, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can go to jimfahaddigital.com/hosting, and this will take you to a special discounted Bluehost page. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I'm a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted tons of websites here and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really cooperative in case you need any help, and their price is really affordable. That's why I always recommend Bluehost. So now click on Get Started. Here you can see their different plans. The main difference between them, with the basic plan, you can host only one domain. You can take their Plus or Choice Plus plan if you want to host unlimited domains. Also, you can take their Pro plan if you have millions of visitors on your website already. I recommend starting with the basic plan. Then in future, you can upgrade that anytime. Now let's select the basic plan. Now we will select our domain name. If you already have a domain name that you want to use, you can just go ahead here on the right. But for now, I'm gonna get a new one. Now here, let's try for something like apple.com and click next. It says the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost. Please try a different domain name. It should be because we cannot take that because we all know that's Apple's official website. So we will be typing our own domain name here. And also, if you click on the right side, you can see .site, .net, .info websites. I always recommend to take .com websites because it looks more professional and legit. So I'm gonna type here, let's say our elementor.com, as we are going to make our website through Elementor page builder. And now click on next. It says our elementor.com is available. That's awesome. And here we need to put our account information. I'm putting mine here really fast only to not make you bored. Okay, here you can see the business name field. If you don't have a business, just keep it blank or put your full name. But here's the most important thing, that's your email address. Make sure you put your correct email address because after completing purchase, a receipt will be sent to that email address. So make sure you put your best email address here. Alright, now scroll down, here's the package information. And it's automatically set to 36 months. And this is gonna be your cheapest plan. So yes, you're paying for 36 months upfront, but it comes out to only around $3.95 a month. So this is 50% off. That's gonna be your biggest discount. Now what I recommend is to just do 12 months if you don't want to commit to the 36 months or 24 months. It's still 33% saving and it's only around $5.95 a month. And you also have your domain name for 12 months. So no more additional cost for your domain for these 12 months. And here you got package extras. First, here is the option for domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good. And I always recommend having domain privacy so no one gets to know who is the owner of the website. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm deselecting this one. Let's click on turn it off. Because I don't want to hide myself at this moment, I want to be transparent. So if anyone knows I own this website, I have no problem. You can keep this one checked if you want, not a big deal. I'm also deselecting all other options they are offering. We actually don't need that. They are just upselling their stuff. Alright. Now you can see the price is now only $71.40 for the full year, including the domain. That's awesome. And I'm legally obligated to tell you that this is my affiliate link. So I do get a little bit of commission off of this, but it does save you a ton of money. And it helps fund these free YouTube tutorials what I'm doing. So everybody wins. I really appreciate it. And here is the payment information. I'm putting my credit card number here, expiration date and CVV code. Then select this one here so that you are agreed to their terms and policy. Now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. Also, you can see here is your receipt. They will also send it to your email. I'm also waiting to get that email. Meantime, we can create our Bluehost account. So let's click on this create account button here. Here's the domain name that's automatically selected. Now let's create our password. Create a really strong password combining capital letters, numbers, special characters. You know how to make a strong password. And then retype the password in the second field. Now check this once again that you have agreed with their terms and policy. Now click on create account. I already have received an email to confirm my purchase. So I'm opening my email. You will also get an email like this. Then click here, verify your email. It's very important. So it's now verified. Awesome. Now let's log in into our Bluehost account with the domain name and password we have just created. If you are logging in for the first time, you may see a pop-up like this. Like it says, let's create a website. Bluehost actually want to help you to make the website. Just click at the very bottom there. I'm not creating a website because I will be showing you everything step by step. And skip all of these pop-ups because we don't need any of that. Cool! We have successfully registered our domain name and web hosting. Congratulations! So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you personally. So now we can move on to step number 2, which is to install WordPress. And for some reason, if you logged out, then log in again. Now from left menu bar, click on My Sites. Then you can click here Create Site or here Create a WordPress Site. I'm clicking here. Sometimes after clicking on My Sites, you may see this My Sites. From there, just click here on Add Site. Then you can see here two options. One is limitless customization and another one is fast, easy site building. As we will be creating our website using an amazing page builder, the Elementor page builder, that's why we will be selecting this option, the limitless customization. So just click here on Get Started. So let's now add a site name and site tagline. We can change that anytime. So I'm putting a site name Jim Fahad Production and site tagline, it deserves to be seen. Now let's click on Advanced. Here you need to put your email address, your username and password for your WordPress. So I'm putting my email address here. WordPress admin username, I want to name it Jim Fahad. And here let's put a password. Do you want to see my password? I'm clicking here on show. So it's ABC123. I will of course show you how you can change it later. So for now, click on next. Close this browser pop-up. Now it says where we want to install our WordPress. So make sure you keep this directory blank. And here is your domain name selected. And Bluehost here is suggesting some free plugins, but we don't need that. Let's deselect this all. Now click next. Awesome, it says WordPress installed successfully. Now you can copy these informations right here and save that somewhere on your computer where you can access it again later. And click here to show your password. Actually, I intentionally gave this an easy password, that's ABC123. Never ever use this kind of easy password. I'm showing you shortly how you can change that password. We can now sign into WordPress by clicking here, but this is not the usual way because all the time you cannot log in this way, I mean from this page, this button, right? So you should get used to signing into WordPress all the time is by going up to a new window and typing in your domain name /wp-admin. So I'm typing here my domain name ourelementor.com /wp-admin and click enter. So we can see our WordPress login page here. That means WordPress has installed successfully. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 24 hours to process this installation, and this process is called propagation. It basically has to let everyone know that, hey, this new domain name now exists and registered. But we can see our website instantly. They actually say it might take 30 minutes to 24 hours, but I've been using Bluehost for more than 10 years. I always get domain live immediately. Actually, that's another reason why I love Bluehost. So now you know that your domain name is working. So go ahead and just gonna type in my name, which was the user that I created, and I'm gonna type that easy password ABC123. You can click this eye icon to show it. Now let's click on login. So we are now inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. Now first let me familiarize you with the WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. So here on the left side, everything you can see, I will describe all of this like posts, media, pages, comments, appearance and all other settings. All these are very simple, very easy, but before doing anything, I just wanna clean up my WordPress dashboard. So first of all, from left, I'm going to dashboard. So click on the dashboard. Now first let's close all of these unnecessary notifications. So let's close this and I'm minimizing all of them. So let's minimize it, all of them. Minimize this one. Also let's minimize all of them. Then close this notification bar. Let's close this one as well. And you can do one other thing, just open these screen options. From here you can deselect all of them like one by one. So I'm deselecting them all off. Also, let's deselect this one. So if we now have a look, our WordPress dashboard is looking much cleaner. Okay, you may remember we have given our WordPress a very easy password that was ABC123. Never ever use that type of easy password. Now let's have a look how to change that password. So to change the password, from the left bar, if we hover over on users, from there just go to profile. Here you can change all this admin color scheme, like you can change it to light or modern or blue or any other thing, but I love to keep the default one, this one. Then let's scroll down. From here you can change your username, your first name, last name, nickname, but the most important thing is your display name publicly as. This name will be shown on your website. Let's say if you write any blog post or any article, on that place this name will show as the author of the blog post. Like if we have a look on this example here on this blog post, you see it says by Jim Fahad. So this author name basically is coming from this place. Then if you want, you can change your email address from here and all other social media handle links here. But for now, I'm keeping all this empty. Just scroll down and here is the option for changing your password. Just scroll up a bit. So here under account management, you see the option for changing password. From here, new password, click on set new password. If you want, you can keep this password that WordPress is suggesting, but to me, it's hard to remember. So first of all, I'm clicking on hide and then I'm typing my new password. It says medium, but for now it's okay for me. Now just scroll down and click on update profile. Alright, like I said, I always love to work in a clean environment, so I wanna clean up my WordPress dashboard more. To do it from left, let's go to plugins. Here is the plugins, hover over on that and click on installed plugins. Here we can see a lot of plugins. Those all came with default WordPress installation, but I don't want them. By the way, if you wonder what is a WordPress plugin is basically extra add-on or extra app-like thing that extends the functionality of your WordPress website. Let's say if you want to create your web pages by using a page builder, on that case you need to install a page builder plugin. If you want to monetize your website for Google search, then you need to install any search engine optimization plugin. So whenever you will be needing any purpose, on that case you should install that particular plugin. But for now on our website we don't need any of these plugins, so I just wanna remove them or delete them for the moment. Now you can select the plugin one by one like this. Also if we click here, we can select all of them and from top click on bulk action. First of all, clicking on deactivate, then click on apply. Then let's select all of the plugin all together from the bulk action. This time click on delete and click on apply. Browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. Now here our all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Cool. Let's now clean up our WordPress website more. So we can now go to our pages. So from the left bar, hover over on pages. From there, go to all pages. Here we can see two other pages. Those came with default WordPress installation. I also don't want them. Now select them together from bulk action. Clicking on move to trash and click on apply. Alright, now have a look what's inside these posts. So hover over on posts and click on all posts. Here we can see a default post. It says hello world. It also came with default WordPress installation. If you don't want to keep it, you can just simply click here on trash. But for now, I just wanna show you one thing. So I'm opening it. To open it, you can click here on view. I'm opening it from a new tab. Now here we can see this hello world blog post. This is a very simple blog post. Almost no content is here right now. We will talk about all the blog post, how to write a blog post, how to customize the blog post page. I will discuss about everything, but for now I just wanna share another thing. If we have a close look on our URL, here we can see a bizarre number. That's our website name, then / p=1. But you know what? I don't want this type of URL because this is very bad for search engine optimization. That's why let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then from the left menus, if we hover over on settings, from there let's go to permalinks. So here the default one is the plain one, but I wanna make it to post name. Because if we keep our permalink as a plain, then our pages and post URL would look like this bizarre number. And if we set to that to post name, then let's say if we have any about us page or any single blog post page, that URL would look like more human readable, you know, and that's also great for search engine optimization. Alright, let's now scroll down and click on save changes. If we now go back to posts to all posts, and this time if we open the hello world blog post page, now have a look. the URL looks very human readable right now. It's our website name.com/hello-world. Alright, now I also want to walk you through some other settings. If we hover over on settings, from there let's go to general. And you see, you can also change your site title from here, your site tagline from here. And I don't want you to change this URL, otherwise you may see some difficulties. So always keep this WordPress address and site address the same. Then if you want, you can change your administration email address and some other settings like your date format, time format, but all the default settings are fine for me. So I'm keeping it like this, and from bottom I'm click on save changes. Now I want to install a plugin, and it would be our Elementor page builder plugin. To install a plugin, from left hover over on plugins, from there just click on add new. Here we can see a lot other plugins. All of these are free, and if we scroll up a bit on the top right corner, we can search for any plugin. Here I'm searching for Elementor. Here you go, this one, it says Elementor website builder. Now click on install now, then click on activate. Alright, at this point I wanna also make you familiar with one other thing. Like what you can see here, this is the backend of our website, or this is the dashboard of our website. And if you want to see how it's looking on the real browsers, then from the top left corner just hover over on your site name, then here you can see visit site. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here, this is the front end of our website. At this point our website is looking like it. I know it's super bland, super boring. We will make our beautiful website out of it. And here at the top we can see a black bar. We can see it only as we are the admin of our website and we are logged in right now. Alright, now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. At this point I wanna change the theme of our WordPress website. So to change our theme, from left hover over on appearance, from there click on themes. Here we can see currently 2022 theme is activated, and there are some other themes like Sinatra 2020, 2021. Actually all these themes came with default WordPress installation, but I don't want any of them. That's why I'm clicking on this big add new theme button. And here we can see plenty of free themes collections. So if you wonder what is a WordPress theme is basically the look and feel of your website. Like right now we can see our website's look and feel is like this. And then from the WordPress theme library, if you install any other theme, then your website will look and feel like that. So now here I'm searching for a theme. It says Phlox. So from the top search bar here I'm typing Phlox. This one, let's now click on install, then click on activate. As we have changed our theme, if we now go to the front end of our website and refresh the page, we can see now the look and feel of our website has been changed. I know it's nothing crazy, but at least we can understand the look and feel has been changed. Alright, let's now go back. And after activating the Phlox theme, it says thanks for choosing Phlox. To take full advantage of Phlox theme and enabling demo importer, please install core plugins. For sure. So let's just click here install Phlox core plugin. Basically it will install another plugin. It started activating the plugin. Alright, it says it's completed successfully. To check it, if we now go to plugins to install the plugins, here we can see we have now Elementor and Phlox core elements, these two plugins. Now before moving forward, I want to make you familiar with Elementor page builder. So first let's create a test page. So from the left bar hover over on pages, from there click on add new. Let's close this pop-up and I wanna disable this full screen mode. So from top right corner click on this vertical 3 dots and disable the full screen mode by clicking here. Okay, I just wanna name this page as test page. From the top right corner click on publish and click on publish one more time. Then click here on this button, it says edit with Elementor. So right now we are inside Elementor page builder. Now here on the left, all we can see, all these are Elementor elements or Elementor widgets. and on the right side, this is our main canvas. We will be just dragging these elements from left to right canvas here. For example, here we can see a heading widget or heading element. We can just simply drag this heading widget within this right canvas here. Then we can change this text, like here I'm changing this text to Jim Fahad Digital. Then if you want, you can change the alignment to centered. Also, we can play around with its color and other styling thing. To do it, just go under its style tab. From here, I'm changing the text color by using this color picker. From here, we can make it red or black or any other color like green. Okay, for now, let's keep it black. And if you don't like it, if you want to delete it, then simply you can just right click here and you can delete it. Also, I don't want this section, so I'm deleting this as well. So first of all, I want to make you understand three major things. If you understand these three major fundamentals, you can literally create anything by using Elementor Page Builder. Those three things are section, column, and elements. Whenever you will create any structure or any page by using Elementor Page Builder, on that case the most outer thing would be the section. Then within a section you can take multiple columns, and then within a column you can take multiple elements or widgets. So let's now have a practical look. If we now want to create a section, all we need to do, just click on this plus icon. Then from here you can select any of these structures like this single column structure, 2 column, 3 column, or any of this structure. For the moment, I'm selecting this single column structure. Then you can increase its height from here. So on the left it says height. From here I'm selecting it to minimum height. Then if you want, you can increase the height by dragging this bar to the right. You can decrease the height by dragging this bar to the left like this. Then let's say if you want to add a background image with this section, then all you need to do from here, just go under this style tab, and here you can see background type. Just click on this paintbrush tool icon, and from here if you want you can change to any static color. Like from here, if we open this color picker, you can change the background color to any of these solid colors. And also, instead of this solid color, if you want to use any background image, then just click on this image and you can upload any image from your computer. I'm clicking here on select files. Now from inside of this home folder, I'm selecting this image and click on open. Now click on insert media. Okay, we now need to adjust this background from here. So I'm setting the position to center, and here the size I'm making it to cover. So it covers the whole area right now. You see how easily we can give a background image on a section. Now if I want to insert any element within this section, all we need to do, just click on this plus icon. Then for example, here I'm dragging a heading widget or heading element, and here I want it to say we design. Then if you want, you can make its alignment to centered, right aligned, or left aligned. Now if you want to do any styling with it, for example if you want to change its color or spacing or any other thing, then you just need to go under the style tab. From here I'm changing its text color to any other color, so I'm selecting a purple looking color. Let's select this one. Actually it's kind of bluish, not purple. Alright, no problem. And then from here, if we open the typography, you can change its font family from here. If we open the default one, here we can see a lot of fonts. All of these are free Google fonts, so if you use this ABZ font, you see it's changed immediately. But instead of this one, here I wanna use Poppins, so I'm searching for Poppins font. Let's select it. If you want to increase the size, you can just drag this bar to the right or left like this. You can change the font weight from here. I want to make it a bit bold, so I'm setting 700. Then if you want, you can change the text transform. All you can do, you can make it uppercase or lowercase. For now, I'm making it uppercase. Then let's say if you want to create another heading, you don't need to do that from scratch. You can just right click here and click on duplicate. For example, here I'm typing your dream ideas, then hit enter to make a different line into reality. Alright, now I wanna make its font size too big. So go under style tab, from here open the typography, and I'm making its font size a bit bigger like this. Then underneath this heading, if you want to add a paragraph, just click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and I'm dragging this text editor widget underneath this heading here. Then here I'm adding some line breaks to make it look nice. Also, let's just duplicate this text to give it a feel like it's a real text. Alright, now everything looks good, but I think the spaces in between these lines are huge. So to reduce it, again we can just go under its style tab. From here open the typography, and if we scroll down here we can see the option for line height. So I just want to decrease the line height a bit like this. Then underneath this paragraph I want to add a button. So again from top click on this Rubik's Cube icon, and here is a button widget. I'm dragging it underneath this paragraph here. Now let's say if you want to change this click here text, you can change that from here. So instead of click here, I just want it to say read more. And then here's the option for link. If you want to link it to any other place, I'm just linking it to my main website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. Then if you want, you can set the alignment to centered, right, but for now I'm keeping it to left aligned. Then you can change the size to medium or large. For the moment I'm keeping it medium. Then if you wanna do some styling with this button, then from here just go under the style tab. For example, I wanna change the background color of this button. So from here you see it's on the normal state, so I'm making the background color to black color like this. And then if we click on this hover, and on the hover state I'm changing this color to that bluish color like this. So if we now hover over on this button, you see the color is changing. Cool. You see how easy it is to create a section or a page by using Elementor Page Builder, and it's completely free. Alright, so here just let me recap everything. Here we can see everything within this blue line. I mean, whatever you can see within this blue line, this is our main section, what we have seen here. The most outer thing is the section, and within the section we should have columns. So just go back. Here within this section we have our column here. Just select the column. You see this column wraps all of these elements. I mean this heading, this paragraph, this button. This column is wrapping all of these inner elements. Now for example, I just want to add some breathing space on the left side of all these headings, all these paragraphs here. So we can do that very easily. Just select this column, go under its advanced tab. From here let's add 20 pixel or 50 pixel of padding. So I'm giving it a value to 50. Now you see some space has been added at the top, right, bottom and left, but I want the space only at the left side, not other sides. So to do it, first of all we should unlink it by clicking here. Then I just want to keep the space only on the left side. Then on the bottom I'm making it 0, on the right I'm making it 0, on the top I'm making it 0. See how simple it is? So one more time, let's say if you want to work with any elements or widgets, then just click on this blue icon. You will find all these options. If you go to the content tab, from here you can change the text, you can set the alignment. If you go under the style tab, from here you can change the colors, you can work with the typography. And if you go under advanced tab, from here you can adjust the padding or margin, I mean all the spaces around it. Similarly, if you select the column, you can do the same thing, or you already have seen how you can manage the padding. Also, if you go under the style tab, from here you can also give it a different background color if you want. And then if you select the main section again, from under the layout you can give it a height. From here, from under the style tab, you can give any solid color or background image. Also from under advanced tab you can give it some spacing. So it's easy like that. Now if you want to create your whole website by designing yourself, then you can do that because you now know how to design the website, how to work with heading, how to work with button, how to give a background image with any section. But you know, that's a lot of hard work. But you're always welcome if you want to create your website from scratch. If you want to create everything step by step, that's great. But in this particular tutorial, my goal is to save your time. That's why instead of creating the whole website step by step by dragging everything from left to right and adjust their colors, adjust their size, adjust the spacing all around it, I want to use a ready website that is already made by a professional designer. And like I said, this is just a test page. So for now, click here on this green update button to save this work. Though we will not use this on our real website, we will be using that demo website that already have designed. Okay, now I wanna go back to our WordPress dashboard. To do it, from the top left, click on this hamburger icon and click on exit to dashboard. Now to import that demo website from the left menus or left links, just hover over on Phlox, then click here on demo importer. Here you can see a lot of demo websites that already have created by professional designers. You can select any of the designs from here. By the way, some of the websites are pro. I mean, if you wanna some of these templates, you should purchase their pro plan because Phlox theme has a pro plan. Like here at the top corner, you see it says pro only. With this one, it says pro only. If you want to use these pro templates, you need to purchase Phlox theme. But for this particular website, I don't wanna purchase Phlox theme. I wanna use their free template. So from here, from the top search bar, I'm searching for a template. It says today business. So I'm searching for today business. Here you go, this one. Let's now click on this green import button. And here we have got a notice. It says for better and faster result, it's recommended to install the demo on a clean WordPress website. So if you are doing this on your existing website, that wouldn't be the best practice. Like I have started it from scratch. I have installed it on a blank website. You should do that. So we are good to go. Now click on this continue button. And it says required plugins for this demo. No worries, all of these plugins are free. So just click on install plugins. It will start installing the plugins by itself. So they are installing and activating the plugins. Just wait because it should take 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, all those plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Now it says remove watermarks because whenever we will be using this template, we won't get all the images without the watermark because some of them are paid images, I mean premium images. On that case, if you have Inverto Element subscription, you can use that to get all the images without the watermarks. But for this website, I don't wanna use my Inverto Element subscription. And no worries, if you don't have the Inverto Element subscription, I will provide you more images and I will also provide you more resources where you can download free stock royalty free images. Okay, so for now, click here on skip. Then here you will find the option for import demo content of Phlox theme. You can select this option or this option. If you select this option, from here you can only import the post or pages or only medias or only widgets, but I wanna import the whole pre-built website. For that reason, I'm selecting this option. It says complete pre-built website. Make sure you have selected this one, then click on import content. Then it says importing demo content is in progress. It might take 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just coming back after 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, it says congratulations, demo has been successfully imported. Cool. So for now, let's click on close. And now, first of all, I just wanna check if everything has imported successfully or not. So first of all, from left, if we now hover over on pages, from there go to all pages. Now here we can see all these pages has been imported successfully. Here we have got our home page, projects page, services page, contact, blog, about page. And here is our test page, but we don't need it anymore. So I'm just deleting it by clicking on the trash. Also, let's now go to posts, to all posts. Here we can see all the demo blog posts. Cool, so everything has been imported successfully. Now let's go to the pages, to all pages again. Here I wanna start working with the home page first. So you see all these pages are made using Elementor Page Builder. That's why we can see here is the option, it says edit with Elementor. So before going to the Elementor Page Builder, I just wanna preview the home page. So to do it, here just hover over on view. I'm opening it from a new tab. Now here, this is our beautiful home page. It's still loading. Yep, we can now see the background image, but it has a watermark with it. I will give you more images and resources where you can get the images for free. So you can replace this background image with watermark with those beautiful images. So for now, don't worry about all these watermarked images. Just scroll down and have a look what we have got. So here is our beautiful services section. Let's now scroll down. Here is the about us section. Then if we scroll down here, we can see the recent works or portfolios. Everything is looking great. Here is the client logos and here is the client testimonials. Everything is looking great. Everything has been imported successfully. Here is the team members section. Everything looks cool. And let's now scroll down. This is the blog posts. Then if you scroll down, this is the global footer. So here you can see a beautiful section. I mean a beautiful call to action section, and here is the global footer. Then if we click on this go to top button, it takes us to the top of our website. Now I want to customize this whole home page by using Elementor Page Builder. So from the WordPress dashboard, from here, if we hover over on home, from here you can just simply click on edit with Elementor. Also from the preview page at the top black bar, you can see it says edit with Elementor. You can click here as well. So we're now going inside Elementor Page Builder, and here we go. So first of all, I just wanna change this watermarked image. So first of all, I'm just right clicking here, then click on this navigator to open the navigator. And from here, just move this navigator a bit left so we can see the image properly. This image is basically coming from this one, this advanced image. So select this advanced image from the navigator. We can see this image on the left here. Okay, just move this navigator on the right bottom here. Now instead of this image, if we want to replace this image with another image, just click over this image, go to upload files, then click on select files. By the way, before uploading an image, I just wanna share another thing. If you want to use all of the images that I'm using, then you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description as well. From that page, under the important links, here you can see download the images I use in this tutorial. Just click there. Then you will get a file like this. Here inside the images, you can find all of these images. Alright, now let's go back inside Elementor Page Builder. Click on the select files. Now I'm selecting all of these images all together because we will be needing that in different areas. So click on open. So for the top banner section, if we select this image and click on insert media, you see now it's looking like it. It also looks great. But instead of this image, we can select any other image from here. So I'm selecting this one, click on insert media. For now, let's close the navigator so we can see the image properly. Yep, it looks great. By the way, if you wanna get more free images, there are a few websites. Like there is a website, it says pixabay.com. Here you will get millions of free stock images. Those all are royalty free. So here you can search for the images you are looking for. Then there is another site, it says pixels.com. This is also a free stock images website. For example, here searching for office desk, hit enter. Now here you will find a lot of images. Let's say if you wanna use this image, just click over this image and you can download the image. Then from your computer, you can just simply insert it inside of the Elementor Page Builder. Alright, for now, close all of them. Alright, now if you want to change this text, just click over the text, Now here at the top, this is the subheading. It says our service. If you want to change this text, you can change it from here. Then if you want to change this big text, then from left open the secondary heading. Now you see this text has been split into 3 different fields. So within the first field, I wanna say it we design. Within the second field, I want it to say your complete online. And within the third field, I want it to say presence. You see how simply we can change all of this text. Then if you want to change this paragraph text, just click here on this description and you can change the text from here. Now let's scroll down because I wanna change this button functionality. Just click over this button. Here instead of read more, I want it to say watch video. And here I'm selecting open video in lightbox option turned on. And here I just wanna put a YouTube video link. So I'm just going to YouTube, and here is one of my videos that's about creating a logo for free. Let's just click on this video and we can copy the URL from here, go inside Elementor, and I'm pasting the video URL here. So for whatever we have done, to save it, we can just click here on this green update button. Now if we want to preview the website, we can just simply click here on this eyeball icon. So here is the real preview of our website. By the way, you may think on the preview website we can see here the big header, but within the Elementor page builder we cannot see the header. Why is that? Because this header is basically coming from the theme option. I will show you later how you can change this header, like if you want to change this logo with your own logo or these navigation items. I will talk about this later. But for now, have a look what we have changed by using Elementor page builder. So here, if we now click on this button says watch a video, it will open a light box and we can see the video from here. And then if we click on the outside, the video fades out. Cool. Let's now go back inside Elementor page builder and scroll down because I wanna change other contents from the next section. By the way, when you are inside Elementor page builder but you want to see how it looks on real website, because here on the left we have a bar that takes a lot of space from your device's width. So you can just simply click here to minimize this bar, so we can now have a real look how it's looking on the real browser. Alright, let's now open the bar, and here I wanna change this icon, this text and this paragraph. To do it, just click over it. Now on the left here you see it's set as inline SVG, but I don't want that because it's a lot of coding. I don't wanna go inside of that. Instead of inline SVG, I'm selecting here icon. Now let's select an icon. I'm searching for an icon that's suitable for logo design. So here I'm searching something like a highlighter. Let's select this one, click on insert. It looks great, and now let's click on the content. Here I just wanna write logo design. It looks great, but I wanna make it in different line. So logo on a separate line and design text on a different line. To do it, we can just write here a BR tag. To write that, just start and close the tag here, and inside I'm just writing BR. That will make a line break in between the logo and design word. Alright, then if you wanna change this text, you can change that from here. Now let's change the second services. I'm clicking over here, open the content. I wanna say it web design or website design, and let's change the third services name. I wanna name it mobile apps. So here I'm typing mobile apps. And you now know how you can change these icons, these paragraph texts. Okay, here I want to show you another thing. Let's say if we have more services than 3, then you can do one thing. Just hover over on these 6 dots, right click here and click on duplicate. Now you see this whole section has been duplicated here at the bottom in this place. But of course we don't want this purple section here, so I'm just right clicking over this column and click on delete. Then we can just simply right click on this column and click on duplicate. So if we now minimize the bar from left, we can see this beautiful section. It has 3 services here. Here is the title of that, and also here are more 4 services. And you know how to change these icons, text and paragraph. But for the moment, I don't want these 4 services, so I want to delete it. From top, just click on this X. Alright, we are done with this section. Let's now scroll down. Here we can see here is a sneak peek of About Us page. So first of all, I just want to change this image. To do it, just click over the image. From here, let's replace the image with another image. For this one, I'm selecting this image. It has no watermark over it. Click on Insert Media. And here, I want to change this text. So go to secondary heading. I just want to say on the second field to help you. Alright, now if you want, you can change this paragraph text, and now I wanna link this read more button to the About Us page. So click on this read more button. Here you will find the option for linking this button. You can just type the link of the URL here, or we can do another thing. As we have already our About Us page, I'm starting typing here about. You see it's suggesting our About page. Just click over About. Here is our About pages URL. Cool. Let's now move to the next section of our website. Here we have got the project section, but here is a typo. It says some past project, not project. It should say project. So I'm clicking here, open the secondary heading. Instead of project, I'm writing here project. And I will talk about this project section a bit later because these projects are coming from a different place. So for the moment, I'm just skipping this project section. We will talk about this a bit later. For now, let's scroll down to the next section. Here is the client's logo section. So if you want to showcase some of the big brands you have worked with, you can put their logo here. For example, if you want to replace this logo with your client's logo, just click over this image. From here, just change the image. I'm placing this WordPress logo here and click on Insert Media. You see, it's instantly changed. Cool. Let's now move to the next section. Here is the client's testimonial section. So here you can put your client's headshot or their full images, their real feedbacks and their name. To change this, just click over it. Here I want to replace this dummy image and dummy testimonial with my real client's image and my real client's testimonial. So first of all, I just want to replace this image with my own client's image. Here is his image. His name is Vic Devor. Let's now click on Insert Media. And then I want to replace this dummy text with the real testimonial. So click on Content. Okay, first of all, I'm replacing here with his own name. That would be Vic Devor. And then here I want to put the real testimonial. So I'm replacing this text and pasting the real testimonial here. Then if you want to put your customer rating, you can also do that. From here it says customer rating. From here I'm giving it 5 because my client also gave me 5-star rating. In this way you can also change this one or this one, and at this point you also know how to change all of this text, how to change the button text and button links. I think we are good to go. Let's now scroll down. Here we can see our beautiful team members section. And I already have told you before, the left bar has taken so much space, so that's why we can see they are overlapping each other. I mean the image and text are overlapping each other. But if we minimize it, you see the design is looking great right now. Alright, let's now expand it. And here you can put your team members' image, their name, their occupation, some text about them and their social media links. So here I wanna change her image. Just click here. This one is a watermarked image. So to change this image with a real image, click on the image. Let's select the image. I'm replacing with it. Click on Insert Media. Then if you wanna change the name, just click on this content. You can change the staff name from here. You can change her occupation from here. Also this text, this paragraph text, you can change it from here. And if you wanna put her social media handles, then from here open the social and you can put the social media links here. Just remove the hashtag and put the real Facebook pages link or her profile link here. It's simple like that. Alright, then after the theme section, let's now scroll down. Here we have got our blog section. Basically, these are the recent blogs. These are coming from our blog posts. So we will talk about this section whenever we will make the blog posts. And then if we scroll down, here we have done with our homepage, because after this plus and folder icon, everything we can see, this is the global footer. This footer is coming from a different place. I'll show you that very shortly, because if we change this footer text or footer images from that place, that will be changed on all of the pages. That's why it says global footer. Alright, I will talk about later about this global footer. Otherwise, we are done with the beautiful home page. So far, what we have done to save our work, just click on this green update button. Now from inside the Elementor page builder, if we want to go back to our WordPress dashboard, so from the top left corner, click on this hamburger icon and click on exit to dashboard. Now we can move to the next page, that would be our about us page. So from pages, let's go to all pages. Now here is our about page. So click here on edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab. Here we go. Now here everything looks good. Here we can share some of the process, how we work, or some of our best feature about us. So here it says first working process, but instead of that I want to change it. So here open the content. Instead of first, it should say first working then process. Let's keep the icon like this, and this one I also want to change the text to dedicated team. And here I want to also change the icon. Go to header, open the icon. Yep, it's selected to icon. Let's select the icon. Here I'm searching for something like an award icon. This one, click on insert. By the way, you are free to change these icons with your own icons. You can change this text with your own text. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Then on the right side, let's change this image. Just click over this image. From left, we can replace this image with another image. Go to upload files, click on select files. Now let's go within the about folder. Here I'm selecting this image, click on open. Now insert this image. Alright. Now before going to the next section, here I want to show you another thing. Let's say if I want to duplicate this text area, here I need to right click here and click on duplicate. But there is a shortcut way. So to enable it, from top left corner, click on this hamburger icon, then open the user preferences, and here I'm turning on the editing handles. Now have a look. If we hover over on this edit icon, here is the duplicate option and here is the deleting option. We will find that on all over the place. Like here, if we hover over on this column, here is the duplicate column option. Here is create a new column or add column option. Here is the delete option. So it will make our life more faster. Alright, let's now go to the next section. Here is a nice call to action section. Here everything looks fine. I just want to link this button to our contact page. So here inside this link field, I started typing contact. It's now suggesting the contact page. So I'm selecting contact page. Let's now scroll down. Here we can see another section, but personally, I don't like this section much. Instead of that, here we can add our team members in this area. And you may remember we already have created our team members area on the home page. So we don't need to recreate the team members section here again. We can just reuse the same section from home page. To do that, we need to save that as a template. I think it would be great if I show you that practically. So far, whatever we have done within this page, let's click on this green update button to save that work. Let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now again, go to all pages. From here, I'm opening the page. I'm opening the home page. Click on edit with Elementor. So this is our home page. Let's scroll down to the team members area. Let's scroll down more. Here we go. This is our team members section. So from here, if we right click here in this place, now first click on navigator, because I just want to grab the main section, not the inner section. Okay, so this is the main section. Let's select it. You see now the blue line is highlighted that wraps this whole team member section. So make sure you have selected the right section. Now right click here and click on Save as Template. Now we can name it anything, but to make it easy to remember, I'm naming it our team member section. Now click on Save. So now it's saved under my templates. Here we can see our team members section. Alright, let's now close it and go back to dashboard. Click on the hamburger, click on exit to dashboard. Then again go to all pages because we now want to go back to our About Us page. Here is the About Us page. Click on Edit with Elementor. Let's close the navigator for the moment. Scroll down. Here, like I said, I personally don't like this section. If you like it, you can keep it, but I just want to delete it, so click on this X. Now I want to import the section that we have saved from the home page. So to get that, click on this folder icon, go under my templates. Here we can see it says our team member section. Now click on this green insert button, and here we go. Everything looks fine, but only here at the top I think this space is huge. So make sure you have selected this team member section, go under its advanced tab, and here at the top we have got some margin. That's 250 pixel of top margin, but I just making it 0. So right now it looks great. If we want to preview it, we can just minimize the bar from left. Just go to the top of this page. This section looks great. This call to action looks great. Here is our team member section. It also looks great. And here is the global footer. We will talk about this global footer later. Alright, let's expand Elementor Page Builder. Click on the green update button to save our work. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here we have got our services page. To edit the services page, just click on Edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here is our services page. First of all, let's minimize the bar from left. So far everything is looking great on the services page, because on the home page we have just seen some sneak peek of the services, but here we can see all other services. So you know how to change these icons, this title name, the paragraph, and all other thing. So I believe you can now change all of these services card by yourself. Let's now scroll down. Here everything looks great. I just wanna replace this image because it has a watermark with it. So open the bar from left, click over this image. Instead of this image, let's select another image. I'm uploading it from inside the services folder. Here I'm selecting this image, click on open, and then insert it inside. And here I can see another typo. So just click over here, go inside secondary heading. It should say our company is here to help you. So here I'm typing to help you. Alright, so far everything is looking great. Here is the company logos. You know how to change that. We have seen that on the home page already. And here is our global footer. Everything looks perfect. So to save the work, click on this green update button. Let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard, and our next page would be the projects page. Now here, before editing the projects page from Elementor Page Builder, first I wanna show you the page on the front end. So I'm opening the view from the new tab. So right now this is our project page. Here we can see different projects here. This is the project title, this is the projects category, and here if you scroll down we can see more projects here. Alright, and if we now click on any project, for example I'm clicking on this single project, it takes us to the single project page. Here you can see a big image and there is no content at this moment, but I will show you how you can create the single project or single portfolio page. Alright, let's go back to the main project page, this one. Basically, these projects are coming from WordPress portfolio option. I mean, these are not coming from inside Elementor. These are coming from a custom post that says portfolio. We can see that very easily from our WordPress dashboard. So let's go inside WordPress dashboard. Here on the left, we can see here it says portfolio. Now from here portfolio, click on all portfolios. You see all of the portfolios are basically coming from this place. So here let's start with the first one, because of course our project name shouldn't be basket of flower on table, right? Now I just wanna click on edit to edit the first project or first portfolio. So here I wanna make this portfolio or case study in very realistic way. That's why here I'm putting one of my real life project here. I should name it Shop Bolt Web App. So this is basically the title of the portfolio or project. And then here within this field, you can start typing about the project. You can write here the description. You can also use images to explain about your case study or about your project more. By the way, you can type here anything. So first of all, here I just wanna take a heading. So when you put your cursor here on the right side, you can see a plus icon. Just click here on add block. First, I wanna add here a heading widget. So I'm clicking on heading. I'm typing here Shop Bolt Case Study. And as it's the main heading, so instead of H2, we can also make it H1 or H3. But for now, let's keep it as H2. Then after the H2, hit enter. So we can start a new block here. We can write any paragraph or some text. But like I said, I just wanna keep it realistic. So I'm removing this XYZ random text. I'm just pasting some real text here. Now after this text, let hit enter a couple more time, and here I wanna add an image. So again, click on this plus icon. Now click on image. Then you can insert any image from the WordPress media library, or you can upload from your computer. So I'm uploading one. Go inside projects folder. Here I'm selecting this image. Now click on open. By the way, you can also resize the image from here. So from the corner, you see here is a circle. Just drag this to the left to make the image smaller. Then from top, click here on this change alignment icon because I want to make it aligned to centered. Now right after the image, let's hit enter a couple more time to make some space. And here again, I'm pasting some real text. Now let's hit enter, and here I wanna add another image. So click on image. Let's upload an image. This time I'm selecting this one. Click on open. Similar like the above image, I'm also reducing its width by dragging its corner. Also, let's make it centered aligned. Now after the image, here I'm hitting enter a couple more time, and again I'm putting some text here. So right now this case study looks realistic. So let's start from the top. We have given here the title or the name. Here is the description or the case study details. Now let's go to the right side. Here click on portfolio. First of all, I wanna give here a featured image. So let's open the featured image. Let's replace this image with a real image. Go to upload files, select files. Actually, we can upload all these images together because we will be needing them very shortly. So I'm selecting all of them together. Click on open. For the first case study, I'm selecting this image. Click on set featured image. Then here we can add categories. So open the category. Here are some existing category. One is saying branding, another one is marketing. We can add more categories by clicking here, add new portfolio category. I'm naming it mobile app. Now click on add new portfolio category. So it's been added here. Alright, I think we are good to go. Let's now scroll down. From here, I'm turning this option on. It says hide featured image. And then let's scroll down. From here, info layout, instead of the default one, I'm selecting this layout. Other than that, everything looks perfect to me. So let's scroll up. From the top right corner, click on this update button. Now here it says post updated. So if we now have a look on the portfolio, I'm opening it from a new tab. So here, this is our single case study page or single portfolio page. Here everything is looking great, but I think we can reduce the width of the page because right now you see it's starting from here and it goes to the very right, this place. So to reduce its width, we cannot do it using Elementor because it's made using the theme. So to make the change on this single case study page or single project page, we need to click here on this customize. Click here on customize. So here we can see this is the theme customizer. From here, click on this blue pencil icon. Now from left scroll down, here we can see custom max width. Instead of default site max width, I'm making it 1000 pixels. So if we minimize the bar from left, just click here on this icon. Right now it looks pretty decent. Alright, open the bar. Now scroll to the very top of the page and click on this publish button. Then click on this left top X to exit from the theme customizer. So far, our single case study page or single portfolio page looks really great. Here is also options for liking, so people can like it. And here is the social share option. People can share it on all these social medias. Alright, let's now go back to the WordPress dashboard, and here from portfolios, go to all portfolios. Now here, have a look. We have changed the first portfolio, this one, and you remember we have also changed some settings. And now if we want to change all other portfolios like this one and this one, we need to change them one by one, and that would be a lot of work. I personally love to work in a smarter way. So what if we could just duplicate this portfolio and then adjust some other things, like we can change the image, some text from that place. But you see, there is no option for duplicating this portfolio. But no worries, because there is a plugin for that. Now before doing any other thing, we can install that free plugin. So from the left, hover over on plugins and click on add new. Now here I'm searching for duplicate post. Now here you can see lot of plugins, but among them I like this one. It says duplicate post by MNDP Sing 287. You see, it has 2 million plus active installation and 5-star rating on 246 numbers. I mean 246 people has given it 5-star rating. Alright, let's now click here on install now. Then click on active. If we now go back to portfolios, to all portfolios, now have a look. Here is a single portfolio, and when you hover over on it, here is a new option added. It says duplicate this. So if we now just simply click on duplicate this, here we can see another portfolio has been duplicated and it's on draft. Let's now click here on edit. So here all other settings has been saved, like all the categories, all the featured image. Now you can just change the things you wanna change. So here, instead of Shopbolt web app, I want it to say Skipper web design. And here the H2, I wanna say it Skipper case study. Then if you want, you can change all of these case studies with your own case study. You can share your experience with your client, all of the details, all other different images. But for now, I'm keeping it same. But I want to change the featured image. So click here on portfolio, and from here, let's scroll down, click on the featured image. I'm selecting this featured image and click on set featured image. Now click on publish, publish one more time. Again, from portfolios, click on all portfolios. I will just show you another one, because if I start changing all of this, it would take more than 2 hours. Alright, so we have just changed this one. It says Skipper web design. Let's now duplicate this one as well. Now click here on edit. Now here, let's change this title. It would be V-Shred landing pages. And here the H2, I want it to say V-Shred case study. Actually, it's a company name. I have worked with them for more than 3 years. Now similar like the previous portfolio, click here on portfolio. Now from here, I'm changing the featured image with another image. Let's select this one and click on set featured image. Then let's publish it. Click on this publish button one more time. Alright, let's now go to pages, to all pages again. So here is our projects page. From here, let's open it using Elementor. Have a look now. We can see all the latest single portfolio that we have just added here. If we minimize the bar from left, then we can see it properly. Yep, we can see the latest 3 at the top, and here are the previous demo portfolios. Alright, let's expand the bar from left. So now here I can show you more options what you can customize from inside Elementor Page Builder. Though it's already looking great, but I just want to show you how you can change the things if you want. From the top right corner, click on this blue pencil icon, and here you will find all these options. So by default, here we can see all the portfolios here within this page, but if you want to show only a few portfolios, you can specify the number from here. For example, I'm setting here 6. Now you can only see the 6 portfolios, others are gone, but I don't want that, so here I'm keeping it empty. Then let me show you more options, like if we go to the layout from left, here by default the columns is set to 3, but if we set it to 2, now we can see there are 2 columns within a single row, but instead of that, let's go back to 3 columns. It looks much better in my opinion. Alright, let's now go to the settings tab, and here I want to show you another thing, like here if we open the paginate option, you see it set items number per page to 9, but instead of 9 I want to set it to 6. So here on the first screen we can see the 6 portfolios. Then if we click on this 2, we're going to the next page and we can see the rest of the portfolios. To me it looks perfect. Let's now go back to the number 1 pagination. Alright, so far I'm happy with it. So click on this green update button to save our work, and click on this eyeball icon to have a final look of the project page or portfolio page. So here everything is looking great. Here the pagination is working perfectly. So far everything is looking amazing. Okay, go back to the pagination number 1, and from here if we go to a single page, let's select this one, Shop Bolt Web App, click on this arrow. Now we are at the single case study page. Everything is looking great. Alright, we can now move to our next page. It's the contact page. Actually we just have 2 pages remaining. One is contact page and another one is a blog page. So let's do the contact page first. I'm opening it by using Elementor Page Builder. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here is our contact page. Everything is looking great. If we minimize the bar from left, we can see the real view. So here we can see some bar. Here you can put your address on the left, then your phone numbers, email address, your working hours like Monday to Friday 9 AM to 23, or anytime what you prefer. The Sunday, here is the time of your working hours, and here you can put your multiple email addresses. Though you already know, but I'm showing you another example. Let's say this one, select it, go inside content, and here I just want to change this email address with my own email address. It's jim@jimfahaddigital.com. Alright, let's now move to the next section. This is the contact form section. Okay, here everything is looking great, but I can see a typo here. It should be please, so not please. Open the secondary heading. Here I'm just typing please. And then if you want, you can change all of these social media links. Just click here on this blue pencil icon, and from this list, open it. You can change the link for this first icon, this one. Similarly, you can change all other item 2, item 3 and item 4. Alright, now let's have a look on this right column. This is the contact form. To change it, just click here on this pencil icon. Now have a look. It's made using contact form 7, but instead of contact form 7, I want to make it simple. That's why let's click here, and I'm clicking on Phlox contact form. Now here people can put their name, email address, their website name and some message, some sweet message actually, and they can click on this submit button. And after clicking on this submit button, all this information will go to your email address. So you need to put that email address within this email field. Here I'm writing jim@jimfahaddigital.com, because in this email address I want to receive all the messages that people will send from this contact form. Alright, let's now scroll down, and here I can see it says Google Maps API key is missing. So I don't want to use this widget. To remove it, just hover over on it, and we can go to the right blue pencil icon and click on this X to delete it. Now click on this plus icon, and here on this search widget I'm searching for map, that's Google Map. This one, let's drag it within this section here. Now first of all, I just wanna make its height to 380. Now you can control the zooming from here. Instead of 10, I'm making it 12. And I know your address might not be London, United Kingdom. You can change your location from this place. Now let's go under style tab here and open the CSS filters because I wanna sync the map colors with our website's pinkish color. It's not actually pinkish color, it's kinda purple color. Alright, so to achieve that, from here contrast I'm making it 110, the saturation I'm making it 75, and the hue I wanna make it 120. So it's kinda giving us this purple fill, right? Okay, now let's select this section by clicking on these 6 dots, go under its advanced tab. You see it has some negative margin bottom here, so instead of that I'm just putting here 0. Alright, so far I'm happy with our contact page. Click on this green update button to save our work. Now I just wanna check if the contact form is working or not. That's why let's click on this eyeball icon to preview the page on the real browser. Now let's scroll down, go to the contact form section. So here I'm putting a fake name of mine, that's JimX, and a fake email address, jim@jimfahaddi.com. It's not a real email address, and here is my real website address, that's jimfahaddigital.com, and here I'm writing a sweet message. So here I'm typing, this is my sweet message. Alright, now click on this submit button. You see I already have received the mail. Let's open the mail. Here I can see the first name is JimX, the email address, here is the fake email address, and here is the website URL, and here is the sweet message. Alright, let's go back. Also, it's sending a message here within the page. Thanks for your message sent successfully. Alright, now we only have the blog page. So first let's go back inside our WordPress dashboard. From left, let's go to posts, to all posts. And here we can see all the dummy blog posts. If you want, you can delete all of these dummy blog posts. To delete it, you can just select them one by one. Then from this bulk action, you can just click on move to trash, then click on apply. But for now, I just wanna keep them to make our website looking like a real website. Alright, now here I wanna create a new blog post. To add a new blog post, from top, you see here it says add a new. Click on this button. You remember a few minutes ago we have created some single portfolios or single case studies. This is exactly the same thing. So first you need to put your title. Here is the description. You can also add images within these blocks. Then from the right side you can add featured image, the categories, the tags. Exactly the same thing. So here to create a blog, first we need to put a title. I'm giving this title is Phlox theme really good, and then within this block you can write here anything, but for example I'm pasting some dummy content here. Alright, also you can adjust any image from inside these blocks. So let's select this image. I want to make this smaller, so I'm dragging it to the left, and let's make it centered aligned. Alright, so here at the top, this is the title of our blog post. This is our first paragraph. To make it more realistic, let's put a period here and hit enter. Also after this one, let's make more spaces. Then after this image here, I wanna make more spaces. So let's make some space. Alright, now from the right side, click here on post. Then scroll down. First, I wanna set a featured image. Click here on set featured image. Now go to upload files, click on select files. From inside the blog folder, I'm selecting this image, click on open, then click on set featured image. Now you can select the categories from here, so I'm opening category. Let's check the business category. Also I wanna add a new category. I'm adding themes category, click on add new category. Also if you want, you can add tags from here because tags are really good for search engine optimization. So first I'm typing free themes. Then to add another tag, you need to put a comma. So here I'm putting a comma and then typing WordPress and put a comma. Alright, we are good to go. Now from the top right corner, click on this publish button, publish one more time. But let me just recheck. Let's scroll down. Alright, everything is looking perfect in my opinion. So now to view the post from here, I'm opening the view post from a new tab. Now this is the single blog post page. Here at the top we can see the big featured image. Let's now scroll down. Here is the blog title. Here we can see the publishing date. Here is the author name. Then here is the categories, and here is real blog content. Here is the blog image. Here is more content, and underneath we can see the tags. Also, people can share by clicking on this share icon on their social media platforms. Then here is also the comment option. As right now I'm logging in, that's why I can only see the comment field, but if you're logged out, you can see here the name, website URL, and the comment fields. So our single blog post page is looking great so far. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Go to pages to all pages again. Oops, not on all posts. Let's go to pages to all pages. So here, have a look. If we hover over on the contact page or home page or projects page, here we can see the option that says edit with Elementor. But if we hover over on the blog page, there is no option says edit with Elementor, because the blog page is made by using the theme customizer, not by using Elementor page builder. Okay, so let's first preview our blog page. So I'm clicking on this view. Let's open it from a new tab. So here is our beautiful blog page. If we hover over on any blog post, we can see the blog title, publishing date, the author name. Let's scroll down. We can see here all the blog posts. Also here's the pagination, so we can go to the next page. That's great. Let's go back to one page. And here, if we click on this single blog post, that takes us to the single blog post page. All right, let's now go back to the blog page. Now, if we want to customize this blog page, like I said, we cannot customize this page by using Elementor Page Builder. We need to use the theme customizer. So from top, click here on this customize. Now we are within the theme customizer and we are now inside the blog page. So click here on this blue pencil icon. Now you see there is some templates option. So right now this one is selected. You can select any of them if you like. For example, if I select this one, it's a timeline template. It really looks great. But for now, I just want to go back to the previous one. There's this option. Let's select it. And then you can control all other options, like if you want to display the featured images here, you can enable or disable that from this place. You can adjust the image aspect ratio and all other grid style, the post information. You can control almost everything, but the default settings is perfect for me. Alright, let's now just click on this publish button from top to save all our work. Then click on this X to exit from theme customizer. Alright. So we have completed all of our pages: the home page, about page, services page, projects page, single projects page, blog page, single blog post page, contact page. Now we just need to customize our header and our global footer. So this is our global footer. We will be customizing this later. Let's first start customizing our header. Now the first thing, I wanna upload our logo and favicon. That's why we need to go to our theme customizer. You can always go to your theme customizer from this top bar and click on this customize. Now from the left items, let's now click on site identity, and from here you can upload your logo. So first click here on change logo. By the way, if you don't know how to create a logo, I have a step-by-step tutorial on that. If you follow that tutorial, you can create your own logo by using a free online tool. I will also put that tutorial link in the description. Alright, for now click on upload files, click on select files. I'm selecting this logo, then click on open, click on select. I don't want to crop it, so I'm clicking here skip cropping. So here we can see our beautiful logo, but it looks a bit bigger. We can adjust its size from inside Elementor Page Builder. For now, let's keep it like this and let's upload our favicon. So from left, if we scroll down here at the bottom, you see this is the option for select site icon. Click there, go to upload files, click on select files. I'm selecting this favicon. Make sure your favicon should always in square shape. That might be 64 by 64 or 128 by 128 or any square shape. So I'm selecting this one, click on open. Now click on select, skip cropping, and here you go. Basically, site icon or fav icon is the little tiny icon that we can see at the top of our browser on this tab here. Alright, now let's scroll up and go back. Let's now have a look how you can change these menu items or how you can play with these menus. So from left, just after the site identity, here click on menus. Now here you can see our two menu has been registered. One is main menu and another one is footer menu. So this main menu, this is basically this one that's within our header, and the footer menu, let's now scroll down. Let's go to the footer. Here we can see another vertical menu. This is the footer menu. Alright, let's now start with the main menu or our header menu. So from left, let's go inside main menu. Here we can see all the menu items. So for example, if you want to add more menu items, you just need to simply click here on add items. Now you can add our existing pages here. All you need to do, just click here on this plus icon. For example, I'm removing the contact page from here. So just click on this X. And let's say I wanna again add the contact page. So from here within the pages, open the pages. Here is the contact page. Click on this plus. You see it has been added here after blog. And not only the pages, if you want, you can add any custom link within the navigation. I will also show you that very shortly. Now from here, if you want, you can order or reorder them. You can just simply drag them one above another like this, but I wanna put the blog above the contact here. So our main menu, this one, let's just scroll down, make sure they are checked on the header primary navigation and as the header secondary navigation. Actually, you don't have to do anything because by default they are set to it. Now let's go back. Let's now have a look, go inside footer menu. So here, let's scroll down to the footer menu here. Now from here, I just want to remove this about us. So click on this down chevron icon and click on remove. And I want to add another menu item. So click on add items. From here, I want to add a custom link. The URL here, I'm putting my website address. That's jimfahaddigital.com. And I want it to say inside the link text, hire Jim Fahad. Now click on add to menu. So here you see after the contact us here, hire Jim Fahad item has been added, but we cannot see it here. But if we just click on this publish button, then refresh the page. Let's now scroll down to the footer of our website. Here we can see after the contact us, here we can see hire Jim Fahad item. Alright, we can customize our footer later, but let's now have a look on our header. So we have uploaded the logo from the theme customizer. We have added the menu items from the theme customizer. But if we want to do the styling of the header, we need to do that from inside Elementor page builder. So for now, I just wanna go out of this theme customizer. From top left, click on this X to exit. Alright, like I said, now I wanna customize our beautiful header. To do it, have a look at the top of this black bar. Here it says edit header and footer. From there, click on header, or actually it says header, whatever. Just click here, header. It's basically the header template. So now click on edit with Elementor. So from here we can adjust the styling of the logo or the navigation or other things. Here we can see the social icons are split into two lines, but if we minimize the bar from left, you see they're perfectly fine. Alright, let's open the bar from left. First of all, let's select this logo. First of all, I'm making its alignment to left. Now go under style tab. From here, I'm making its width in pixel. So select the pixel and let's make it 200 pixel. And I always check everything if they are looking perfect from tablet and mobile device. So I also want to check how it's looking on tablet device. So to check it, from here, click on this responsive mode icon. Then from top, click on the tablet icon so we can see how it's looking on tablet device. The logo is looking perfectly fine on tablet device. Let's now click on this mobile icon so we can have a look how it's looking on mobile device. On mobile device, I think we can reduce the width a bit. So here, instead of 200, I'm making 160 pixel. On mobile device it looks perfect. Alright, let's close the responsive bar from top. Just from the top right corner, click on this X. Now let's say on your header, if you only want to keep this logo and this navigation bar, you can keep that. You can just simply delete this column. So hover over on this column icon and click on this X. So the right phone number and social icon has gone. But for now, actually, I want them. So if you accidentally delete anything, you can always redo that. To do it, from the bottom left, click here on this history icon. Then just go back to your previous state by clicking here like this. So now on the right side, we can see again the phone numbers and the social icons. Okay, now if you want to customize it, just click on this blue pencil icon. Now here we can see some list item. On the first list item, here is the phone number. Now click here. So within the text, it says call us, then the phone number. And here I wanna do one interesting thing. Like if someone clicks on this number, they can literally call you on that number from their phone, or if they are on their desktop, they can call you via their Skype or the FaceTime. So to do it, there is a simple trick. Within this link field, just type this word first, TEL, tel, then colon, and then from top I'm just copying the phone number and paste the phone number after the colon. And remember, you shouldn't have any space within the phone number, so I'm removing all the spaces from here. So now on your real website, if anyone clicks on this number, they will literally call you on your phone, or if they are on their desktop, they can call you via their Skype. Alright, everything is looking great so far, and here I just wanna make a little settings with this navigation. So just click on this blue pencil icon. At this point, you may not understand what I'm doing with this navigation, but just keep trust on me. Do whatever I'm doing. I'll show you shortly why I'm doing this. So for now, make sure you have selected the navigation menu. Go under its style tab. Now from here, scroll down and open this one. It says full screen window. Now from here, I'm making its color. You see, it's now black, but I'm making it white. Why is that? I'm explaining you very shortly. Other than that, we have customized our header properly. So just click on this green update button to save our work. We can now go back to our dashboard from here. Now from top, hover over on our site name and let's click on visit site. Now have a look on our header. It's now looking great on the real browser. Alright, let's now customize our footer. So again, hover over on this edit header and footer and click here. I don't know, it's supposed to say footer, but it says footer. No problem with that. Let's now click here on footer. Again, it's of course an Elementor template. So click here on edit with Elementor. So here, this is our global footer. This footer will be shown on all the pages. So let's start from the top. Here it says, are you ready for? But instead of that, let's click here. And here, I just want to say, are you ready? Then a question mark. And then this start now button, click here. I just want to link it to our contact page. So here I'm typing contact. It's suggesting us the contact page URL. Let's select on contact page. Alright, we're done with this nice call to action section. Let's now scroll down. I just want to get rid of this sign up column. So hover over on this column and click on this X to delete it. Now here, you can change all of this by yourself. Just click over this. You can change this paragraph text by yourself, then click on this image. I wanna replace this logo with our own logo. So from here, let's choose our logo. This is our logo. Click on insert media. And this logo is not linked to anywhere, but I wanna link this logo to our home page. So from here, you see image link. I wanna link it to home. Here is the home page. Select it. And also its width, I want to reduce it a bit. So go under settings. Here everything is looking great. Now go under style tab. I just want to make its maximum width to 240 pixel. Alright, now within this middle column here we can see our footer menu. It seems perfect. Then if you wanna change this title, just click over here and you can change the title from here. Now on this third column, click here and you can change everything from here. But you know what, I just wanna change this dummy email address with my real email address. So from here, open the secondary heading. Now it says info@yourdomainname.com. so here I'm typing jim@jimfahaddigital.com, and like the phone number here, I also wanna show you another trick. Let's just copy this email address. Now within this link field, first type mail to, then a colon, then paste your email address. Now whenever anyone clicks on this email address, they can directly send you email via their default email software. Alright, now we just need to change this copyright text. Now click over this text. I don't want this theme attribution text like this one, powered by Phlox theme, so I'm disabling this from here. Now first of all, it says and copy. This is basically this copyright symbol, and here we can see 2022. So it's coming dynamically from here. You see within these two curly braces, here is a capital Y. This is the dynamic here. Alright, now after all rights reserved, here I wanna type Jim Fahad Digital. So we are done with our global footer template. Let's just click on this green update button to save our work. So we are almost done with all the pages, our global header and global footer. Now I just wanna do some final touches. So let's start from the home page. First, refresh our home page. Now first, I just wanna check if there is any dead links. Dead links means if we put any link that has no link to other pages. Okay, let's don't make it complicated. I just wanna open it from Elementor page builder. So click on edit with Elementor. Now here everything looks great. We have linked this watch video to one of our videos. Let's now scroll down. Here we have linked this read more button to our about us page. Let's now scroll down. And here all these are our portfolios, so we can link this view all projects to our projects page. So let's select this button, and here within this link field, here I'm typing projects. So here is our projects page. Let's now select it. And by the way, I wanted to talk about this section later, but I think you already understand how it works. But only to clarify you, if you want to adjust this within the home page, basically these are coming from portfolios that we have made from the WordPress dashboard within the portfolios. But also we have some control over here. Just click on this blue pencil icon. So right now we can see only 2 portfolios here, but let's say if you wanna show more portfolios on the home page, then here number of posts to show, we can put here 4. So basically people can only see your most recent 2 portfolios here, and when they will click on this view all projects button, that will take them to our main portfolio page or our main projects page. Alright, let's now scroll down. Everything looks great here. And also here is a dead link. So click on this about us button. I also wanna link it to our about page. Here it is. Let's select about page. Now let's scroll down. Here everything looks great. This is our about page. Actually this is not about page, this is our team member section. Let's now scroll down. Similar like the portfolios, here we can see 2 most recent blog posts, and if anyone clicks on this read more button, that will take them to the blog page. So here just click on this read more, and I wanna link it to our blog page. So here it is, select the blog. Alright, and here is our global footer. Everything is looking great. Let's now click on this green update button to save all of our hard work. And now click on this eyeball icon to check our page from real browser. Okay, so this is our beautiful home page. And if you wanna check how our website is looking on tablet device or mobile device, you can easily check that just by shrinking your browser. Okay, let me show you that in practical. So let's say if you want to check how your website is looking on mobile device, you can just open this URL from your mobile device. Just kidding, because right now you're developing your website. But without going to your mobile device, you can check that from your desktop right now. You can just simply shrink your browser. Like here, I'm shrinking the browser. At this point, we can see what it's looking on the tablet device. So if you scroll down, you see everything is looking great, because this width is basically the tablet's width. So here on the tablet's width, everything is looking great. Everything is looking decent. I'm really happy with it. And then if we shrink our browser more, this is basically the mobile width. So on the mobile device, everything is looking perfect, and here we can see an hamburger icon. Let's now click on this hamburger icon. Here we can see our all menu items. And you may remember on the navigation settings, I have set the full screen Windows color from black to white color. That's because of this. It was previously black color, but I have changed it to white color. That's why we can see it's in white color. And then if we click on this X, the navigation menu will fade out. Alright, on the mobile device, everything is looking great. All the images, all the section looks perfect. I'm really happy with it. It looks really professional. So no matter if you are using this website for your business, I mean traditional business, or for your online business, or for your agency business, this suits for every business. Alright, we can also click here on go to top button. Now it takes us to the top of our page. Let's now expand to the fullest so we can see the proper desktop view. So our home page is looking great at this point. Let's go to top, have a final look on our about page. Our about us page is looking great. Here we have all these processes, and then if you scroll down here, you can see beautiful call to action section, and here we have our repeated team member section that we have imported from our home page, and here at the bottom we have got our global footer. Alright, let's go to top, and if we now go to services, here our services page is looking great. All the services are decorated nicely, and at the bottom here is some text about our team or our company, and here at the bottom we have our repeated global footer. Alright, let's go to top and go our projects page. Here we can see all our projects. If we scroll down, here is the pagination. We already have seen those are working perfectly, and if we select any single project or single portfolio, that takes us to the single case study page. Here we can see everything is showing nicely. Also here we can see some related projects or works. Alright, let's now go to top and go to our blog page. Here everything looks perfect. Also we can see the paginations here, and if we go inside of any single blog post page, that also looks great. Here is a nice featured image. Here is the blog title, all the blog details here, the comment option, the social share options, everything is looking great. Then if we click on this contact page, everything is looking great. Here at the bottom, the contact from section is looking great. Here is the Google map, and here is the global footer. Alright, let's now go to top. Now you know how to make a business website for yourself or for your clients. Now just go ahead and make your website live. Also share this tutorial with your friends so they can also make their own website. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon so you will get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a valuable video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.